Let's smash a Ferrari windscreen. No, that's not a Ferrari one. Our friends at Windscreen gave us a sacrificial windscreen. So we're going to do some Steck windscreen top, it's called. So PPF for your windscreen. When you've got expensive cars, expensive windscreens, especially the size of windscreens now, they're so big, so they're probably gonna have a massive price tag. But we're gonna smash one, and then we're gonna put some film on, and then we're gonna smash it again, and we're gonna see how good it actually is. Dyno top, windscreen paint protection film. It just goes on like PPF-ish, sort of. We're just gonna put a little bit on this corner, and then we're gonna hit it with a hammer again, and see what we get. Who knows? Squeegee that on there. God, it's got some stone chips in it. PPF film on. Let's get a cloth, wipe it down. Okay, so the film is here. Here's a hammer. Well, that's quite impressive. Ben, that's a big stone. How hard can you hit it, do you think? Okay, so we've done it twice, and there's two tiny little things. We're gonna hit it quite hard this time. You ready? Oh dear, okay, so that's the limit. All right, that one was quite bad. Ignore all the mess around it, but that is literally wiped off. That's catchy. We're doing it again, apparently. We're gonna do it on the black bit, just so that you can see it a bit clearer. All right, there's no chips in that bit. Let's put that on there, let's put that on there. You see it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, where's my hammer? There you go. All right, let's pull it off and see what happens. Well, it's a repairable chip at the end of the day. Not like that over there. So it does work. Well, that's good news, because customers booked his Ferrari in for it. Need to write one of those. So we're not gonna hit this one, definitely not. Is your windscreen worth thousands of pounds? Then put some film on top of it. Alex's Ferrari has already got a few tiny little pepper marked in it. It's not a brand new screen, but it's an original Ferrari screen, and that's why he wants to protect it. We're gonna get to work. We've got to take the wipers off, clean it down. It has already been scrubbed outside. Get the wipers off, get some material cut. For ease, I am removing the wiper blades because they are in the way, and when the bonnet is down, you cannot lift them up because they hit under there. Lovely jubbly. We will remove the nut, the washer. We will mark on the stem, on the stud, where they go, so that we know they're in the right place when they go back on. Now that one was tight. I have to tell Alex that his driver's side wiper blade could have blown off in the wind. You have to lean like right over. That's not gonna wanna come up either. So we're just gonna mark with a China graph, basically a crayon. Put a little down line on there and there, so we know where that goes. Get out of the way. It's in the way. In there. There we go. That will rub off when we go and put them back on. They still don't lift up very well, do they? Oh, that came off easily. I reckon they've been off before. Wiper blades never come off that easy. Tiny adjustment screws. Not too sure what they adjust at the moment. The length of the arm. So, there we go, that's marked. I'll undo those and remove the arm. Don't want to lose one. What do you think they do? Like a little stabilizer, I guess, for high speed. Let us know in the comments, what does the second guided adjustable wiper arm do? What's wrong with just one arm? There we go, they've definitely been off before. They are not seized on there like normal. De-dust. And then we're gonna get some release tape and we're gonna cover that to get rid of the dust, trim it to the shape of the screen. Right, there we go, that's done. That is my dust trap. Squash it all in there. Perfect. This is a glass scrubber. Oh, nearly fell over. This is literally a soft, friendly Scotch-Brite designed for glass. So when we washed it, or when Jay washed it, we did the motions on the glass. So that has already been done. So I just need to wipe it down, degrease it, and then we can use some gel. We're using gel today, according to Daryl, at Shades Wraps, shout out to them, you need to put this film on with a gel. That's what he's told me to do. He is the STEC trainer for the UK, so we're gonna do as he says. You could probably use ISO, you could probably use water, yeah, I don't know, you could probably use anything. As long as it's degreased, then you'll be fine. Anything with methanol in it, I believe, would probably be okay. Get it all nice and clean before we put the film on, obviously. Let's get some spray and a squeegee and wet it down. Don't shout at me, I know this isn't gel. I'm just cleaning at the moment. Can't have a dirty screen. This is a really curved screen. And no, my luck, a bug will land on the screen. Just want to know if I've got to put any stretch into it, or you just let it relax. He's not going to answer the phone now, is he? He is going to answer the phone, and you're on YouTube. Okay, I'm just about to put this material on. The screen is really curved, Ferrari 488. Do I need to put any stretch into this material? Okay, does it? That was what I wanted to check. I didn't know if I needed to tack it a bit tighter, or just literally let it relax.
And then you should be good, fine.
No stretch, nice and relaxed.
Yep.
Okay.
And you're just forcing the material to stretch it as you're pushing it down, basically.
We shall see how it goes. It's either going to go horribly wrong or it's going to go lovely.
You'll be fine.
You'll be fine. Gel in a pot. Jay's just cleaned all this and we're going to have to dry it all again. No, this is gel. Look, much thicker. I'm quite nervous. It's like when you go on a first date, isn't it? We'll probably time-lapse this bit. Right, there's more gel than we know what to do with. You got enough on your side? Okay, that literally lays down. So, this is it, moment of truth. Lock it in along the top. Locking it in. We just do this all the way down. That is officially crazy stuff. Daryl, you're a genius. We are going to be launching another giveaway, and I'm going to get out ahead of this one. The last giveaway, we reached out, had a chat with a customer, and then nothing ever happened with it. It didn't actually happen. If you're ever wondering what did happen, it never did happen. We're going to do front end PPF using a uncoated Geon film. You'll get all the benefits of the Geon PPF. We're going to do front end, bonnet, bumper, wings, headlights, backs of mirrors, and we're going to be giving it away. To win, you need to get the secret code out of our YouTube videos. We want views and subscribers, let's be honest. We're going to drive it by putting a code in the videos, so you need to watch them. And you have to be subscribed to the channel, because that's how we're going to pick from the subscribers on the channel.
What's the secret code?
So Ferrari is the secret code from this video. Trimming. Right, there we go. That is all the excess, or the big excess, trimmed off. I'm just gonna let it dry out a little bit, and then we'll trim it up, clean it, send it. We're back about half an hour later. Gonna trim it up. Looks like it's dried out a lot, which is lovely. So first thing when cutting on glass is what? Stainless blades, of the utmost importance, because stainless blades don't scratch glass. Like PPF, you need to cut it short. You don't edge cut, because then it's just gonna lift and then you're gonna get contaminants underneath it. There's that word again. So we're gonna cut it short, about 1 mil, all the way around. Looks like it's gone down quite nicely. Might need my mining light. We're going in. Windscreen PPF has been applied to a Ferrari 488. We could now hit this with a hammer. We're not going to. That's why we demoed it. It's definitely worth it, especially if you've got expensive windscreens. If you like this video, remember, like, subscribe, share it, tell your friends, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.